Hey guys, in this video, I will give honest review on ZEELY AI app. Is it worth it? Alright, let's begin. In 2025, ZEELY AI positions itself as an automated ad creation and campaign management platform aimed at e-commerce owners and digital entrepreneurs. It promises fast, polished AI-driven video and static ads, realistic avatars, and automated ad campaigns scaling all under a discounted trial model. At first glance, it feels like a time-saving marketing solution for users who lack design or ad expertise. One of the key selling points is the trial-based pricing structure. ZEELY typically offers initial subscriptions at low rates like approx $20 for 2 weeks or $30 for a month, but these automatically renew at a full price close to $79 to $119 per month. The significant jump in cost after the introductory phase catches many users off guard and prompts skepticism about transparency. User reviews are sharply divided. Some small business owners share positive experiences. I created a site, launched an ad, and the very next day 3 people contacted me and described the app as simple and clear even for a beginner. They praise ZEELY's templates and rapid AI ad generation, reporting measurable lead flow and time savings. For them, it speeds up ad creation significantly and feels beginner-friendly. On the other hand, a flood of complaints highlight billing issues and poor support. Multiple users warn that cancellation is difficult or impossible via the website, often requiring bank intervention. One recounts canceling within minutes and still being charged weeks later, despite repeated attempts to resolve the issue. Another says they will ignore you until the 7-day trial is up and then charge you. There is no way to cancel the subscription on the app or through the app stores. Additionally, concerns over content quality emerge. Some report that AI-generated ads are low quality, poorly synced with generic or repetitive templates, especially when compared to alternatives or previous manual content creation. A user notes they got clicks but no actual sales, undermining trust in the ROI of the tool. Support and refunds seem consistently underwhelming. Automated responses, slow handling of billing disputes, and frequent requests to escalate issues via email emerge as core complaints. Frustration mounts when refund promises go unfulfilled or take weeks to process. To evaluate if ZEELY is worth it for your situation, follow these steps. Check the terms before subscribing. Consider testing with a short, low-risk offer using a prepaid card or limited budget, and track performance carefully if results matter. Final verdict. ZEELY AI has potential for creating basic ad creatives quickly, especially for new e-commerce ventures. But the aggressive billing practices, opaque cancellation process, mixture of both good and bad user experiences, and questionable customer support raise serious concerns. If you're risk-averse or budget-conscious, or if you require quality and reliability, treat ZEELY with caution. There are better vetted alternatives in the AI ad space or manual ad tools with clearer refund policies and stronger support. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.